Hi guys, I had a couple of people email me tell me they don't understand how to get into the gaming for the solving systems review. If you can look at my screen right here, you can see how there's a snake here, here's a space invader, um, Pong. You're gonna pick whatever game that you feel like playing. There's asteroids, I know there's Pac-Man, there's snakes. I'm gonna pick on Pac-Man. All you're gonna do is click on it and solve the equation. So x minus 7 equals 13. So I have to add 7 to both sides. So that should give me 20. So I'm gonna click my and then I'm going to play my game. So then I keep on playing until I lose, and then I answer more equations. That's how you're going to do it. So if you have any more questions, please email me.